Welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. Today's video is one that you do not want to miss. Make sure you watch the entire thing, check the timestamps below. In today's video, I'm going to prove to you that cryptocurrency is about to get insane. We're going to be going over some of the top projects in the space. If there are cryptocurrency projects you'd like us to cover in the future, comment which coins below. Hit the like button, support the channel, join us on our road to 1 million subscribers. Of course, the reason why you subscribe to this channel is because on a daily basis, we keep you informed with news, opinion, perspective, again, that the mainstream media will never share. So let's start talking about big picture. Let's start with Bitcoin, the market mover, and then we'll move on to some lower cap individual projects that need to be on your radar. But check this out. I can't believe more people aren't talking about this. Bitcoin will really shock you with its consistency. I mean, seriously, Bitcoin cycle after cycle. This is eerie. Take a look at your screen. This is going to shock you. So notice you can see everything for yourself, whether it happens in July or let's just take a look at the RSI. RSI downtrend, followed by a trend change, followed by a bullish consolidation, followed by a markup. We see the same thing the next cycle. This cycle, it seems to be playing out the exact same way. We're waiting for that markup. And then taking a look at the price. Got this initial huge run, a bottom in July, bullish consolidation, and then a huge, huge rally. It happened in 2013, it happened in 2017, and it seems like 2021 is playing out eerily similar. Of course, history doesn't repeat, it rhymes. But if you're as bullish on Bitcoin like I am, I mean, this TLDR, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, it's about to get insane. Think about it like this. The most popular NFT marketplace, OpenSea, has just 200,000 users. Wow. The most popular NFT game, Axie Infinity, has just 1 million users. Wow. DeFi, which is currently much larger than NFTs, has 10 million users. Minecraft, a single game, has 600 million users. My friends, we are so early. And of course, the market's going to go in ebbs and flows. But the point is, relatively speaking, we are incredibly early. And that's why I liked this, because I wanted to get this information out there. Now, many people have been commenting individual projects in our comments in the past couple of videos. So I took a look at some of the coins that you wanted us to take a look at. And I pulled some, which to me, and which other TA experts are showing are starting to look rather bullish. For instance, Chainlink. Chainlink is kind of a blue chip in what it does. No other Oracle crypto like Chainlink is doing it as big as Chainlink. Of course, just like with everything, gets way overvalued, then consolidates and ebbs and flows. But Link looks like it's gearing up for a breakout. So Chainlink, yeah, I happen to be bullish. As long as we're in a bull cycle, I happen to be bullish. Let me know what you think on Chainlink below, but I did just want to point this out to you. There's no really news, but I did just want to point out that Chainlink's TA looks bullish. Let's talk about DOT. DOT is kind of flying under the radar right now, but with the success of so many other projects like DOT, the Solanas, the Ethereums, how can you not be bullish? So this is DOT. This is DOT's price chart right now. And we can go to Solana's price chart, and this particular analyst is comparing it, saying that DOT could pull a move like Solana. Getting some major Solana vibes from DOT. It's been rejected a few more times, but I think the trajectory, weekly candle close, relation to the previous all-time high, and the fact that it hasn't really pumped this entire run, I'm hoping it can shine like Sol in the next couple weeks. I don't know if we're going to get something as big as Solana, but generally speaking, I have some DOT. I'm bullish on DOT, and I wanted to point it out to you that DOT, in my opinion, looks bullish. Let's talk about eGold. We were one of the first crypto YouTubers to put eGold on everybody's radar years ago, and I have some eGold, and I'm pleasantly surprised eGold is doing so well. Looks to be in a bull trend. eGold, another analysis. The last 2 times we reached the all-time high, 62 days after the golden cross. If we apply the same parameters from the last 2 times to this time, we should reach a price of around 2,000 to 2,500 around October 18th. I can't believe it. Now, here's the thing. If any of us knew the future, we'd all be rich. Obviously, this particular guy probably owns a lot of e-gold. But that being said, e-gold is competing and interoperating with Ethereum, with Solana, with Polkadot, with Cardano, with all of these. And, those kind of projects are doing quite well. And just to continue pointing out projects like Ethereum's, like the Solanas, the Polkadots, we got to point out AVAX. AVAX seems to be in a bull trend for me. And, every time it gets to a local top here, everybody's saying this is the ultimate top. But, we saw what happened with Solana. And AVAX, in my opinion, is very similar to a Solana. AVAX generally is gaining in network and popularity and price action, and just what they're doing seems to be attracting a lot of usership. So we have to point out AVAX. Let me know in the comments if you like AVAX. Now let's switch it up. We're not talking about the Ethereum interoperators and competitors. Now we're talking about something a little bit newer, a little bit different. A quick retest of the trend line, then up again. Great sign of strength for Mina. Talked about Mina on this channel a few times. Happen to be bullish. It's backed by some of the best VCs in the space, like Coinbase Ventures, 3 Arrow Capital. I don't think there's going to be a lot of selling going on anytime soon, because the way that the staking works, the highest rewards for stakers happen in the first 8 months or year or something. So there's really no reason to sell unless, you can always realize profits. But I think a lot of people want those staking rewards. And, anything can happen with these smaller caps. Mina just broke the top 100 by market cap, but, everybody's expecting a 3 Arrow Capital backed project backed by Coinbase Ventures to be eventually listed on Coinbase. And just, fundamentally speaking, this does have a lot of use cases and promise. Anyways, Mina, to me, looks bullish. And if you need even more of a sign that cryptocurrency is about to get insane, take a look at our growth and our subscriber count. We just ticked up. Now we're 996. It seems to me we're meeting slight resistance at around 995, 996, but trending up, ticking higher. I think this is bullish consolidation. Once we break 1 million, I'm predicting that bulls will be in full control. So jump on board, join a winning channel, subscribe. And, just to put a cap on these coins that I was looking at that were bullish to me, in a bull market, there's so much opportunity in cryptocurrency. There's so many different ways you can make money in crypto. Literally hundreds and hundreds of coins throughout the cycle will pump and make tons of people rich. Obviously, if you buy the top, you're going to be holding bags, but there's just so much opportunity in this bull market, and there's plenty of coins that, we don't cover often that are doing quite well. But with Mastercard partnering up and issuing its first NFT giveaway ever, partnering up with its celebrity ambassadors, how could you not be bullish? With Shiba Inu token pumping 25% on a Coinbase listing. Bull market vibes, my friends, bull market vibes. Now with Mastercard specifically. Mastercard, the news is this: Mastercard, a multinational financial service corporation, as if people don't know what Mastercard is, has jumped on the NFT bandwagon. Non-fungible tokens have continued to gain popularity among mainstream industries. The most recent addition to the NFT world is Mastercard, the global payments leader. On Thursday, September 16th, the company announced that it had created its first ever NFT in partnership with the renowned football coach Jose Mourinho, who is also a Mastercard Global Ambassador. This unique NFT is an animated digital football with Jose's signatures on one of the panels. Anyway, the news is that Mastercard is getting into the NFT game. Coins are pumping. Crypto is good right now. It's good to be in crypto right now. Let's talk about some specific projects on the Solana ecosystem. Solana, much like an Ethereum, much like a Polkadot, much like all the ones we mentioned, is a open source dApp platform. So let's talk about some of the DeFi projects that are building on Solana. Solana's DeFi projects are raising millions of dollars. Decentralized finance is taking off on Solana. Here's what some of these projects look like. These projects are bringing a lot of usership to the network. The first one, Grape Network, which is actually what shut the Solana network down for a few hours because it made Solana too popular. Solana's back up now. Anyways, Grape Network hooks up to platforms like Discord, Telegram, and soon to be Twitter to help decentralized communities coordinate over Solana and reward their members with cryptocurrencies. It's all powered by the protocol token Grape. If you're still watching the video at this point, comment Grape. Let me know you're here. Next in Solana's ecosystem is called Parrot Protocol. Parrot's a non-custodial lending platform and decentralized exchange similar to the Maker protocol on Ethereum. Parrot, kind of like Maker. There are many, many more projects besides these that are launching within the next few days on the Solana launchpad, like Solanium, Boca Chica, and Solstarter. But the point is, Solana is seeing usership on their network. And then finally, something I think is very important that I must convey to our audience is do your own research, make your own decisions. I'm really glad so many people come up to me at meetups or comment below saying, I've seen a lot of comments saying, I'm making all this money in crypto and that makes me very happy. Doesn't matter which coin, it makes me very happy. However, I don't want credit for your wins, just like I would not take credit for your losses. Take responsibility, make your own decisions, do your own research. The one thing I will say, if you're new to crypto in the last 6 months, this is what a bull market feels like. In a bear market, feels totally different, way worse. So have a plan to realize profits. So whenever the market, and it doesn't have to be today, but I'm just saying, have a plan to realize profits. Eventually the market will turn. Prices will probably be a lot higher than they are today for a lot of coins, probably. But just have a plan to realize profits. That's something all of us who've been in crypto for more than a cycle realize. Anyway, almost at 1 million. See you guys tomorrow. We'll probably do a live stream for 1 million subscribers if this happens during the day. Okay.